You ever lost track of how many tabs you had open in Revit? Or have you ever scrolled tirelessly through the project browser and not been able to find your view? Well, here's a solution for it. Download my View Jumper tool in the Autodesk App Store right now. It's only $2 a month, and the first month is free. So you're going to click the button and then start typing the view you want to jump to. So we can type maybe elevations. You can find sheets, elevations. You'll even find viewports in there too. And hit tab a couple times, jump to selected view, and there it goes. And then once you're done with that, you can jump around a couple more times, any which way you choose. And if you can't remember that one view you had open, you can't find it in the tab, just hit the View Jumper tool again. And you'll find your last views you're in chronological order. And you can jump to one of those. Hit enter. And there you are. Alright, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the tool. Go ahead and find it at apps.autodesk.com, search for M3dida Tools, and you'll find it. The link is in the description below. See you guys on the next one.